Learn who, what, why, when, which, etc. in Igbo. Igbo English. Onye bụ ihe ahụ? Onye bụ ihe ahụ? Who is that? Ihe ahụ means that. Onye means who in English. Onye bụ ihe a? Onye bụ ihe a? Who is this? Remember that bụ ihe ahụ. Why this bụ ihe a, ihe dị gị nso, something nearby. Onye na-akpọ m? Onye na-akpọ m? Who is calling me? Onye chọrọ iri nri? Onye chọrọ iri nri? Who wants to eat food? Another one is what. In Igbo you call what? Gịnị? Gịnị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gịnị na-eme ebe a? Gịnị na-eme ebe a? What is happening here? Gịnị na-eme ebe ahụ? Gịnị na-eme ebe ahụ? What is happening there? Ebe ahụ means there. Ebe ahụ means there. Why ebe a means here. Know the difference. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? Kedu nke? Kedu nke? Another word. In English, kedu nke means which. You cannot say kedu. Kedu nke. You have to put which in Igbo. Kedu nke. Kedu nke in Igbo. In English it means which. Kedu nke ị sara? Kedu nke ị sara? Which one do you wash? Kedu nke dị mma? Kedu nke dị mma? Which one is good? Maybe you want to select something among others. You ask, kedu nke dị mma? Which one is good? Kedu nke ka mma? Kedu nke ka mma? That means you need the best among other things. Kedu nke ka mma? Which one is better? That is higher one. Kedu nke ka mma? Kedu nke ị nwere? Kedu nke ị nwere? I means you. Kedu nke ị nwere? Which one do you have? Kedu nke o nwere? Kedu nke o nwere? Which one does she has? You can say kedu nke o nwere. O means you can put it is a pronoun nọchiaha. You can put it kedu nke o nwere. Which one does he has? Or which one does she has? O represent both male and female. Kedu nke o nwere? Which one does she has? Or which one does he has? Like our videos and share it to others, please. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.